Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an awesome guest, Monica. She's a local model here in Las Vegas as well as Los Angeles. Today we're going to share with you guys step-by-step techniques on how to highlight and contour. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Beauty Expert Jane. We cover anything from makeup tutorials, product reviews, and behind-the-scenes vlogging with my goofy husband, Nick. Since we have some extra time at home, why not sharpen some of your makeup skills? Highlight and contouring is one of my favorite techniques because it instantly adds dimension to the face and sculpts your everyday makeup look. Celebrities are often accused of plastic surgery when in reality, they just hired a really incredible, talented makeup artist that knows how to highlight and contour properly. So let's get right into it, and I'm gonna show you guys how to highlight and contour on our beautiful model and guest here, Monica. First step is highlight. I'm gonna take my favorite product from MAC Cosmetics, the Prep and Prime in Light Boost. This has a beautiful yellow undertone which instantly brightens the skin. And then to really customize the perfect shade for her, I'm gonna use Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in Warm. And to apply, I'm gonna use my MAC Duo Fiber Brush in 270S. And for application, you want to create a soft triangle underneath the eyes. And then a little bit on the top of the bridge of her beautiful nose. A little bit underneath and on the chin. Okay, and again, this one is the Prep and Prime Highlighter Pen in Light Boost from MAC Cosmetics. And then to customize the perfect shade, we're gonna go back in with Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the tone Warm. And as you can see, together, it creates a perfect shade for highlighting. And as you can see with the brush, we're just using soft, buffing, massaging motions, and you do not want to drag the brush. And take your time with this. You don't want to sweep it away. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit more on the top of her nose. And again, blend, buff, and massage away. And you can instantly see how that brings some radiance and dimension into her face. Okay, and let's move on to the other side. Now that we've finished highlighting, we're gonna move on to contouring. For contour, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation. It's one of my favorite drugstore brands. I'm gonna do contouring in the shade 355 Coconut. And I'm gonna take the same MAC Cosmetics brush in the 270S, and it's a duo fiber brush. So we're gonna go ahead and take the contour color, and I'm gonna have the client smile. And the key here is you want to gently carve out her cheekbones. And the magic rule for me is you wanna create a soft C shape, brushing gently around the hairline as well. So you don't want any sharp edges, but more so soft curves. Then we're gonna go ahead and follow the jawline area, just like so. So it's always gonna look a little silly at first, but it's all about adding depth and dimension and softly sculpting the face. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and apply it on the side of her beautiful nose. Just like that. Okay, and then to buff and blend, I'm gonna use this awesome brush, MAC 170. It's also a duo fiber brush. However, this one, it's a little bit larger and it really helps to blend the product into the skin, making it seamless and makes it look more of a soft shadow. So again, you want to do soft buffing motions, softly massage it into the skin. And as you can see, it's adding so much dimension and sculpting the face at the same time. And take your time on this. You want it to make it look very seamless. You don't want any harsh lines anywhere. Make sure you're blending it into the hairline, giving her a natural glow. And the fun thing about contouring is you can really change the shape of your face. Beautiful. Looking good. And for the smaller areas such as her nose, feel free to go back in with the smaller brush and really take your time buffing it into this little area. Moving on to the other side. Lastly, it's time to seal the deal and set your highlight and contour with some powder. So for highlight, I'm gonna take my Studio Fix powder in NC20 from MAC Cosmetics and use one of my favorite blending and setting brushes, 129 S brush from MAC Cosmetics. And all we're gonna do is simply take the powder and gently set the highlighted areas. And a little bit goes a long ways. And one of my favorite reasons for this product, it's mattifying, long wearing, and it helps to absorb any excess oils throughout the day. Okay, let's move on to the other side. And that's it for the highlight. To set the contour, I'm gonna use Hoola bronzer from Benefit. This is one of my favorite products to contour because it has the perfect brown beige tone. So the key is you wanna stay away from any contour colors that have too much orange. And then to set the contour, I'm gonna use my 168 brush from MAC Cosmetics. And you just want to gently tap over the areas we've contoured. And the power of makeup is incredible. Check that out. Okay, let's move on to the other side. And there it is. And my favorite part, the big reveal. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this highlight and contour makeup tutorial. And Monica, where can people find you?
You can find me on Instagram at Monica_WELDON.
I'll be sure to link that down below. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Beauty Expert Jane. and we'll catch you in the next video.